So last week we had a couple central bank announcements. In the case of the US Fed, they pretty much kept monetary policy unchanged. As for the Bank of England, well, contrary to expectations at one point earlier in January of a 0.25% rate cut, they actually kept monetary policy unchanged in what was Governor Carney's last. And on Friday, focus shifted towards the UK formally exiting the EU. It's a transition period now until the end of 2020, so it'll be interesting to see what's going to happen on the negotiations front between both sides. However, in the background and continuing into this week, it's the coronavirus fears. And because of the fact that Chinese markets have been closed this entire time, when they open on Monday, it's not a question of if they're going to open in the red, but by how much. Other items on Monday in earnings, we are going to get Alphabet or Google's results, but from an economic data standpoint, we are going to get a string of manufacturing PMIs. On Tuesday, we get another central bank announcement. Now, unlike the other central banks so far that have opted to keep monetary policy unchanged, the expectation here is that the Reserve Bank of Australia is going to cut rates by 0.25%. Other items that we're going to get out of the US include factory orders and API, or American Petroleum Institute's weekly oil inventories estimate. On Wednesday, we get a speech from ECB's Lagarde. We also get EIA, and there is going to be, after getting manufacturing on Monday, we are going to get a string of service PMIs as well. But on Thursday, ECB's Lagarde is going to be speaking again, but this time testifying, and there are going to be a couple items such as German factory orders as well as Australian retail. Now on Friday, although we get some interesting items out of the RBA, such as its Governor Lowe testifying as well as its monetary policy statement, a couple items out of Canada as well with its IV PMI as well as employment figures, but it's really going to come down to US non-farm payrolls. Expectations are not that much different from last month. It was a little below expectations last month, but once again, the market expectations are for about a 160K figure. So that's it from all of us here. See what you figures out next.